Myself Mudabbir and I am a part of campaign Restore Our Earth. So, I am going to speak few words on how I can restore our earth. My first topic is awareness. We must aware the people on the current situation of the earth. If 8 billion people of the earth are aware, then they will take initiative to protect it. The best way to aware them is through social media platform. Utilize Facebook, Instagram, Twitter to aware people. Second point is biodiversity preservation. Habitat preservation. Protecting and restoring habitat critical for the survival of various species. Avoid single-use plastic and better use alternatives of plastic. Promote eco-friendly products and reduce consumption of resources that can harm our biodiversity. Rivers and stream restoration. We must not stop the water in dams. We must continue the natural flow of rivers to support aquatic life. Reduce carbon footprint. Use energy efficient appliances, drive less, and support renewable energy resources. Urban planning. Support sustainable urban planning includes green spaces and environmental friendly infrastructure. So this is how we can restore our earth. Thank you. Plant it, care for it, and watch it grow.